In this video, we will show you how to replace your camshaft position sensor on this GMC Acadia with a 3.6-liter engine. Your camshaft position sensor will be located along the driver's side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Just a quick note, your vehicle will have 4 camshaft position sensors. You're going to have an intake camshaft position sensor and an exhaust camshaft position sensor on each bank of your engine. The intake camshaft position sensor would be closest towards the center. So for bank 2, which is all the way towards the front of the vehicle here, our intake camshaft position sensor is right here with the yellow marking. If you were to move to bank 1, which is on the back side there, the intake is going to be closest to us, once again with the yellow marking. You can see it right here. The removal and reinstallation of all of these is the exact same process. Since none of them are any harder than the other, they're just a little bit harder to see, we'll do this one that's out in the open. The first thing you want to do to remove these is to remove the electrical connector. Commonly, you're going to have a red locking tab that you'll have to slide out of place. Just go ahead and slide that towards the wiring harness. Once it's dislodged, you should be able to squeeze on this and pull it out of place. Ours looks as though it's broken, so I'm going to use a small pick and just try to pull as much of this as I can out of the way. Once you have that slid out of place, the next thing we'll do is squeeze on the little tab that's located just underneath where that would be. Just depress that. You can use your fingers or a small pocket screwdriver. Pull it out of place. A quick inspection of our electrical connector. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. This one looks fine. Moving from here, we're going to remove our one 10mm headed mounting bolt. That mounting bolt is holding the camshaft position sensor in place. But before we do that, let's make sure we clean up the area around the camshaft position sensor. We don't want any miscellaneous debris making its way into the engine, causing an issue. Let's remove our mounting bolt now. Once the bolt's out of there, take hold of your camshaft position sensor. We'll give it a little twist and lift it straight up and out. Get some movement there. If you do need to pry it up, you want to do that gently. Be careful not to break off your sensor into the valve cover. That can be an issue. There it is, friend. Clean and inspect the mounting point here. Okay, it's time to install our camshaft position sensor. Lubricate your O-ring. Use some clean motor oil if necessary. We'll take this and slide it into position. Once it's pressed into the valve cover, align your mounting bolt hole and start in that mounting bolt. I've got it pressed down. Once it's snug, we'll torque that to 89 inch-pounds. Reconnect your electrical connector. We'll take this, press it in, listen for a click, and if you still have that red locking tab, make sure you press that in to completely lock everything into the proper positioning. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The process for one is the exact same thing as all others. Once you've completed, go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a short while. Make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition. Close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.